You won't believe the revelation that has taken place in the world of computer hardware, a revolution that will change the way we experience visuals, gameplay, and computing as a whole. Today, I'm thrilled to unveil to you the behemoth that is the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5080 Gaming OC16G, a graphics card so powerful, so revolutionary, and so awe-inspiring that it will redefine what's possible in the realm of gaming and beyond. In recent years, we've witnessed an explosion of innovation in the graphics sector, but with great progress comes equally formidable challenges. The increasing complexity of modern games, coupled with the rising demand for high FPS and 8K resolution gameplay, has forced PC enthusiasts to look elsewhere for solutions. This is where the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5080 Gaming OC16G comes into play, boasting the latest NVIDIA Blackwell architecture and DLSS 4, which has transformed the gaming landscape in ways we never thought possible. Unboxing this behemoth of a graphics card is akin to unwrapping a precious artifact from a bygone era. The first glance reveals a masterpiece of engineering, with an imposing presence that exudes nothing but excellence. As I carefully lifted the card from its packaging, the WINDFORCE cooling system's impressive cooling fins glistened with an icy sheen, an indication that this powerhouse is not just designed to create heat, but to thrive in even the most demanding of scenarios. Within its sleek, durable design lies a labyrinth of engineering prowess, with 16 gigabytes of GDDR7, 256-bit memory interface, and the mighty NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 heart. This is a graphics card born from the marriage of innovative design and cutting-edge technology, where each component is chosen with precision and utmost care to ensure that the performance is nothing short of phenomenal. Now, let's take a step back and dive into the nitty-gritty specifics of this marvel of engineering. At its core lies the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080, an exemplar of modern GPU architecture that redefines the boundaries of real-time graphics. The Blackwell architecture's unique design approach ensures that this graphics card produces breathtaking visuals, leveraging real-time ray tracing and AI-enhanced graphics processing. With the DLSS 4 technology integrated at its heart, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5080 Gaming OC16G achieves an unprecedented level of realism within games and applications, rendering details and nuances previously unseen in the gaming world. A major game changer in its own right is the 16 gigabytes GDDR6 memory interface. With an abundance of memory available at unprecedented clock speeds, this graphics card catapults high-end games to new heights of visual fidelity and responsiveness, allowing users to play games without the perpetual nagging feeling that performance might be compromised. Further, the PCIe 5.0 connectivity standard provides an added layer of compatibility and transfer speed, all but guaranteeing that users have a smoother gaming experience, even as the next generation of devices become available. An aspect often overlooked but vitally important is the sheer size and thermal dissipation capabilities of this graphics card. GIGABYTE has outdone itself in this regard, equipping the GeForce RTX 5080 Gaming OC16G with a WINDFORCE cooling system, a marvel that can effectively dissipate temperatures to prevent throttling during extended gaming sessions. Its dual-wing fan design and multiple heat pipes provide exceptional airflow and heat transfer, guarding against throttling and allowing for consistent high-performance operation even in the most grueling conditions. In a real-world scenario, let me tell you a story about a friend who purchased the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5080 Gaming OC16G for their gaming rig and was soon diving headfirst into an immersive 4K gaming experience with their newly assembled gaming PC. They began by setting the display resolution to 4K, the graphics settings to ultra-high, and at long last, their favorite game, a demanding benchmark in every aspect, was rendered in breathtaking detail and fluid motion. They played the entire game in virtual reality without a single hiccup, their system effortlessly handling even the most punishing AI-enhanced gameplay scenes without the slightest hesitation or stutter. What we're left with after this exhilarating ride is the undeniable truth that this graphics card leaves the competition eating dust in its wake. Three massive reasons stand out: stunning graphics, impressive frame rates, and incredible energy efficiency. Not only is this card the ultimate solution for 4K, VR, and high-end gaming enthusiasts, it is also the best friend 8K adopters could ask for. Lastly, here's a quick analysis of why specific competitors don't quite stack up to the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5080 Gaming OC16G. Their main rivals, for instance, tend to lack in a few critical areas: limited memory capacity, lower refresh rates, and substandard cooling systems. Compare the efficiency and visual impact of those alternatives to this absolute powerhouse, and the disparity becomes plain as day. Don't settle for second best. Go for the gold with the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5080 Gaming OC16G. So, are you ready to witness visual grandeur? Are you prepared for breathtaking gaming experiences? I'm confident that you are. Get ready to have your breath taken away. Because with the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5080 Gaming OC16G, the boundaries of what's possible have never been clearer. And as a testament to this technological advance, I'd be honored to